Craving a natural way to erase tartar, cigarette, and coffee stains from your teeth? Imagine having a dazzling smile without resorting to harsh chemical treatments. Today we're uncovering a simple yet effective home remedy that can help you achieve just that. The secret lies in 3 humble kitchen ingredients: turmeric, lemon juice, and baking soda. Yes, you heard it right. These everyday items, when combined with your regular toothpaste, can work wonders on your teeth. Turmeric, a spice renowned for its potent medicinal properties, plays a pivotal role in this remedy. It contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, which helps in reducing plaque, gingivitis, and bacteria to improve oral health. Next up is lemon juice. Rich in citric acid, lemon juice acts as a natural bleach, brightening and whitening your teeth over time. It also has antibacterial properties, helping to kill harmful mouth bacteria and freshen up your breath. The third ingredient, baking soda, is a versatile substance that's been a longtime ally in oral care. It effectively scrubs away surface stains from your teeth, revealing a whiter and brighter smile. To create this teeth-whitening paste, add a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of baking soda into a small bowl. Mix these ingredients well, then add enough of your regular toothpaste to make a paste. Brush your teeth with this homemade paste at least once every 2 days. Ensure to brush gently in small, circular motions, covering all surfaces of your teeth. Rinse thoroughly after brushing. Remember, consistency is key. Regular use of this paste will gradually remove tartar and stains, revealing a healthier, brighter smile. In conclusion, this natural home remedy offers an effective and affordable solution to remove tartar and stains from your teeth. Not only does it help in achieving a whiter smile, it also enhances overall oral health. Turmeric, lemon juice, and baking soda. These humble kitchen ingredients might be the unsung heroes your oral care routine has been waiting for. So why not give it a try? Embrace the power of nature and flash that dazzling smile you've always desired. Remember, a healthy smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. Until next time, keep smiling.